In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up SafeGuard on Telegram step by step using Telegram Desktop. This is a really useful setup if you want to add moderation, security, and automated protection to your group or channel without making the process confusing. Whether you manage a community, a private group, or a growing channel, this quick tutorial will help you get SafeGuard added and running properly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram Desktop and go to the group or channel where you want to add SafeGuard. Make sure you're signed into the correct Telegram account and that you have permission to manage members or admins in that group or channel. Once you're inside, look at the top of the screen and click the group or channel name. This opens the profile information panel where you can manage members, settings, and admin controls. Now, find the add members icon and click it. This is the option that lets you add a new member or bot to your group or channel. In the search bar, type SafeGuard, or you can search using the username at SafeGuard Robot. As you type, Telegram should show the correct result in the list. Select SafeGuard from the search results, then click Add to bring it into your group or channel. Once SafeGuard has been added, the next important step is to give it the proper permissions. To do that, click Make Admin. This is necessary because SafeGuard needs admin access in order to perform its moderation and protection functions. After you click Make Admin, you may see a list of permissions you can enable or review. Depending on how you want to use SafeGuard, make sure it has the access it needs to operate correctly. After that, confirm the changes and wait for Telegram to update the role. And that's it, SafeGuard is now set up on your Telegram group or channel. At this point, you can continue configuring any additional settings the bot may require, but the main setup is complete. This is a great first step for improving safety and automation in your Telegram community. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.